Friends, do you know why multiplication sign is represented by a cross symbol? The answer to it lies in Vedic mathematics. Let's try to understand it with the help of a mathematical calculation. In this calculation, we are multiplying two numbers 947 and 989. Before proceeding ahead, we need to understand the concept of base value. Base value are numbers like 10, 100, 1000 and so on, which means they are numbers of the nature 10 raised to the power n. For multiplying these numbers, we need to find the base value nearest to the multiplying digits. The base value nearest to the multiplying digits 947 and 989 is 1000. Up next, we will be finding the difference of these multiplying numbers from their base value. On finding the difference, we come to a conclusion that 947 is 53 less than the base value 1000 and 989 is 11 deficit or 11 less than the base value 1000. Now we will be using this cross symbol to multiply it easily. On the left hand side of the cross, we will be writing the multiplying numbers, and on the right hand side of the cross, we will be writing the difference of these multiplying numbers from their base value, that is 1000. Since 947 is 53 less than and 989 is 11 less than their base value 1000, hence we are using the negative sign to depict their difference from their base values. The product of this multiplication of two digits 947 and 989 is obtained in two parts, namely the left hand side and the right hand side of the product. On the left hand side of the product, we will be writing the sum of both the numbers which are diagonally opposite to each other in cross. That is, we will be adding 947 to 11, or we will be adding 989 to 53. Since the numbers located on the right hand side are negative, therefore we subtract 11 from 947 or we subtract 53 from 989. On doing either of the operation, same value appears. To obtain the right hand side of the product, we multiply the numbers which are located on the right hand side of the cross, which are namely 53 and 11. Since both these numbers are negative, therefore their product will be positive in nature. The left hand side of the product is obtained by either subtracting 11 from 947 or by subtracting 53 from 989, and the right hand side, which appears to be 583, is a product of 53 and 11. On combining both of these, we reach to an answer that is 936583. So we have seen that using this cross symbol, how easily we can multiply these numbers, and that is the reason why we are using this cross symbol for multiplication. In this series of Vedic mathematics, we will be seeing a detailed lecture on this very topic. Do like us, share us, subscribe us. Thanks a lot.